Most people are low on magnesium and have no idea it's happening because the way we live now slowly drains it. And when magnesium drops, your body doesn't stay quiet. Sleep gets worse, muscles stay tight, your mind won't shut off, and most people never connect it. Here are 5 reasons this is happening to you. 1. Your food lost its minerals. Magnesium comes from the soil. That's where plants absorb it, and that's how it gets to you. But modern farming has stripped most of it out. The same vegetables you're eating today have a fraction of the magnesium they had 50 years ago. So even if you're eating healthy, your body is still coming up short. It's not what you eat, it's what your food no longer contains. 2. Stress is draining it. Every time your body goes into stress, it uses magnesium to regulate your nervous system, to calm your muscles, to stabilize your heart. But stress today isn't short-term. It's constant. Deadlines, pressure, overthinking. So your body keeps pulling magnesium over and over again. And if you're not replacing it, you slowly run low. That's why your body feels tight, why your mind won't shut off. It's not just stress. It's what stress is taking from you. 3. Most of what people eat now is stripped down, refined, packaged, altered. And when food gets processed, magnesium is one of the first things to go. So even if you're eating enough, you're not getting what your body actually needs. Calories stay high, nutrients stay low, and your body pays the price because it's not built to run on empty food. It needs minerals to function the way it's supposed to. 4. Your body isn't absorbing it. Getting magnesium in doesn't mean your body is using it. Absorption happens in your gut, and if your gut is off, that process breaks down. Inflammation, poor digestion, low stomach acid, all of it reduces how much your body actually takes in. So the magnesium passes through without being used, and your body stays low, even if your intake looks fine. It's not just what you consume, it's what your body can actually absorb. 5. You're losing it faster than you replace it. Your body uses magnesium constantly, through sweat, through daily function. But certain things speed that loss up. Caffeine, alcohol, poor sleep, even dehydration. So your body keeps losing magnesium faster than it's coming in. And over time, that gap gets bigger until your system starts to feel it. Because it's not just about intake, it's about how much you're losing every day, and most people never realize it's happening. Because the symptoms don't point to one place. It shows up as poor sleep, tight muscles, constant stress. So people treat each problem separately. But the issue was never separate. It was the system. And when magnesium drops, that system starts to struggle. This is where real support comes in. Not quick fixes, not random supplements. Actually giving your body what it's been missing. And once you do that, things start to change.